Is it possible to clear Neet in just 2 months? You may find yourself pondering over this question as the clock ticks down to the big day. Well, the answer is a resounding yes. It may seem like a daunting task, but with strategic planning, consistent effort, and the right mindset, it is achievable. Firstly, it is crucial to understand the examination pattern and syllabus. Neet, or the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, covers 3 main subjects: physics, chemistry, and biology. The exam comprises a total of 180 questions, with 45 questions from physics and chemistry each, and 90 questions from biology. Now on to the preparation strategy. Step 1. Create a study plan. A well-structured study plan is the backbone of any successful preparation. Divide the remaining time into weeks and allot each week to specific topics from all 3 subjects. Include regular revision times within your schedule. Remember, a good plan not only tells you what to study, but also when to relax and recharge. Step 2. Understand the concepts. Neet is not about rote learning. The questions often test the depth of your understanding of the concepts, so dive deep into each topic, understand the why behind the what, and make learning a fascinating journey. Step 3. Practice, practice, and practice. The importance of solving previous year's question papers and mock tests cannot be overstressed. They help you understand the exam pattern, improve time management skills, and build confidence. Step 4. Stay healthy. Amidst the intense preparation, do not neglect your health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are as crucial as your study hours. Remember, a healthy body harbors a healthy mind. Step 5. Stay positive. A positive mindset can do wonders. Believe in your capabilities and stay motivated. Now, let's quickly summarize the key points discussed. 1. Understand the Neet examination pattern and syllabus. 1. Create a well-structured study plan and stick to it. 1. Dive deep into the concepts. 1. Practice with previous year's question papers and mock tests. 1. Take care of your health. 1. Maintain a positive mindset. Remember, success in Neet is not about cramming in last-minute facts, but understanding and applying concepts. It's about persistence and maintaining a balanced lifestyle amidst the preparation. And most importantly, it's about believing in yourself. So gear up and embark on this journey with confidence and determination. Best of luck. Let's now talk about the day before the exam, a day that's just as important as any other during your preparation period. The first thing to remember is to relax and revise. It's important to go through your notes and summaries, but don't stress yourself trying to cram in new information. This is the time to consolidate what you've already learned. Next, don't forget to stay hydrated and eat well. Your brain needs fuel to function at its best, so make sure you're consuming balanced meals. Avoid anything too heavy that might make you feel sluggish or lethargic, and keep a bottle of water close by. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, get a good night's sleep. Rest is crucial for your brain to function optimally. It's not the time to pull an all-nighter. You want to be alert and focused on exam day, not fighting off fatigue. Remember, the day before the exam is not for learning new things, but for consolidating what you already know. This is your time to relax, recharge, and prepare yourself mentally for the big day ahead. After all, the battle is won in the mind before it's won on the field. Now, let's discuss the exam day and the best method to fill up the OMR sheet. On the day of the exam, make sure you arrive at the exam center well in advance. This will give you time to calm your nerves, find your seat, and avoid the stress of last-minute rushing. Before you start, take a moment to read all the instructions on your question paper and OMR sheet carefully. This can save you from making avoidable mistakes. Now, on to time management. This is a crucial aspect of any exam. Allocate specific time for each section and stick to it. This will ensure you have enough time to answer all the questions and review your answers. Then comes the task of filling the OMR sheet. This might seem simple, but a small mistake can cost you marks. Fill the circles completely and make sure you're marking the right answers for the right questions. With proper time management and carefulness, you can secure a good rank and an MBBS government medical seat. Remember, the exam is not only about what you know, but also about how well you can manage your time and stay calm under pressure. So take a deep breath, trust your preparation, and give it your best shot.